Today we're going to make country style ribs. These are just pork ribs, and we're going to start with coating them with some adobo. And some garlic. And that's all there is to that. We've got those covered with some adobo and some garlic. So we're going to set this aside for a minute. And then we're going to take our cookie sheet and some tin foil. And we're going to line the cookie sheet with tin foil. And I like to make it so it's kind of hard to get off. And that's going to be because of the second step that we're going to do. So once we've got our pan covered, then we arrange the ribs onto the pan. And now we're going to take another piece of tin foil and we're just going to seal that pan with tin foil all the way around it. We're not going to poke any vent holes or anything else. We're trapping all of the steam that this is going to make in here. Okay, now everything's all sealed up nice and tight. And the next thing we're going to do is move it to our oven. Okay, it's time to take them out of the oven. Now what we've got here now is a whole bunch of liquid. So what I like to do is lift the pan up slightly so that it drains to one end. And then I have a turkey baster and a pan. And I remove that liquid. Now we take our silicone brush and we coat these with barbecue sauce. And I use Sweet Baby Ray's Spicy Honey. And then we'll coat this side with barbecue sauce. And I got the exact right amount of barbecue sauce this time. And that has never ever happened before. And now they're going back in the oven. And there, out of the oven, ready to eat, is our country style ribs. And when I say ready to eat, I mean I'm going to taste one. That is so tender. And I already know what it's going to taste like.